I have a nerdy little dilemma. I have all of my stuff connected to the TV, but I also have this long cord that's connected all the way to this thing right here, my Elgato, which is somewhere behind here, and I have it to this multi-HDMI port, and it's all connected onto the computer right here, right? You turn this thing on, and this. So pretty much I have that display also on here so I can play my games on there, which is where I mostly play at. Now, the thing is, I have this Nintendo Switch right here, right? Play the games on that, but I don't have the option on the TV like I do my PS4. But I can't get it onto the TV. Because I don't want to buy another dock and then just move that to over there if I want to switch. I want to be lazy. A lazy fat piece of shit, that is. I tried running the splitter that I found with an HDMI that I also found, and I happened to find a thing called HDMI coupler. I don't know if that's correct terminology, but it's this thingy right here. Come on, focus. Instead of using this thing, if I could just get another longer HDMI cord, like maybe 10 feet of that might exist, I can use this one to plug into the switch into the first port for the Elgato and connect the 10-footer with this coupling into that. I hope all of that made sense because it's really confusing for me at first too. Let's go to Walmart and see if I can at least find one long HDMI cord, and that should solve the problem. Let's go. I will be doing a room tour pretty soon. I was gonna do it yesterday, I had to work though, so anyways, yeah, who cares. I'm gonna vlog with this so I'll be a little bit more stealthy. Bring that. Computer, turn off all lights. Computer. Good enough. Good enough. Ride an essay, that's what I say. Safety last. Okay, no one gives a fuck about the driving. Wally World. Let's do this. I know I'm looking for the electronic stuff, but I'm 34 and I always have to look at this first before anything else. Already got that. 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 God, what is wrong with me? Already got that.
You're not getting away, sir. Whoa, 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 whoa. Hiya. Hiya. Whoa, whoa.
For those who doesn't know, I'm an electrician, so some of this stuff's a little interesting to me too. See, I can look at adult things too as well. Oh God, not gonna lie, I actually want this. Another day, Richie. Another day. Just when I need more camera equipment. Tripods. Oh, I got one of those already. I've been thinking about getting me something like that. I don't know, what do you think? This is 12 feet, I believe. 12 feet. This would solve the problem. Alright, we're getting this. I swear I didn't do that. I didn't do it, I really didn't. Now back to the house. Computer, turn on all lights. Alright, I'm back. Switch to this camera now. We are going to perform surgery. This thing. that was my cozy unboxing I did, by the way. So I'm plugging this. We're gonna plug that and this thing, like so. And then we're gonna run this bitch. Okay. Now we're gonna use this. It's gonna go plugged in this thingy. Splitter, mirror splitter. Plug this back into here to the HDMI multi-port. And alright, that's a gross shot, but that's what all that is. Go to HDMI 2. Okay, well that worked. It's on here, but it doesn't seem to be picking up on the Elgato. Alright, I'm just gonna kinda maybe do a time lapse. I don't know. How to restart the computer. I'm hoping that is the answer to that problem. My theory was correct. It worked for the TV, but now it seems to not be picking up my Elgato. I don't know if maybe it's not strong enough to pick up, or my computer's not fast enough. I don't know, but restarting it, so we're about to find out. Connect your capture card device. So it's saying it's not connected. Alright. Alright, it's connected. It's HDMI input connected. Okay. Ooh. 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 Oh! It worked! It worked! It worked! F you! Alright. So, one dock connected to that, fucking split that bitch into this thing that I found, connected a long HDMI, coupling it with that thing, I don't know if you can see it, and added another one, and added to the TV, and bam, 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 bam. Okay, so, hell yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, that was pretty much my little vloggy adventure. I tried to pull off an story. Had a happy ending. I don't know how to end it, so okay, awkward, bye.